Hey, how are you doing? Have you started going lower waist and you wanted to get on the reusable grocery bag, shopping bag trend? So you picked up a few, now they all over your house and it's just making a mess. They in your car, they everywhere. Let's clean them up. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is find a bag that is preferably standard size, and that's going to be your organizer bag. And what I mean by that is all of the other bags are going to go into that one, and they will store nicely and neatly. So it really doesn't matter per se which bag, but just pick one that is standard size and you think it's probably going to fit most of your bags. All right, to get started, you're going to start with your bag and start by folding the handles in, right? So I like to make sure that the handles, or you want to make sure that the handles are folded in and nice and neat. Actually, I should probably turn it this way. So we're going to start by making sure that the bottom portion is creased in and is flat, going with the natural fold that's already there. And with your handles tucked in, what I like to do is fold from the top to the bottom, and you're going to do that basically in thirds. So you want to fold it over once and then fold it over again. That way the handles and everything are hidden and it looks nice and tidy. So you can see how that looks, okay? And then you're basically just going to repeat this. So you'll put this in a bag that you've identified as your storage bag. So I'll put that there. And then you're just going to repeat the process. You've got your handles, tuck your handles in. You're going to fold from the top to the bottom, nice and neat, and pop it in your bag. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's kind of straightforward. After you get into the flow of the folding and putting it away, it's really quite simple. And because you're putting everything in one big bag or one bag, it makes it a little bit easier. And hopefully you have a place in your home where you can just hang it up and it makes it simple. So if you found the video helpful, leave some comments down below, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe bell, and most importantly, hit the notification bell. That way you'll never miss when I upload a new video each and every Sunday. Talk to you soon. Take care.